In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear opening balance equity in QuickBooks Online. Opening balance equity is a temporary holding account QuickBooks uses when you enter beginning balances. It's meant to be cleaned up once you classify those amounts to the correct accounts. Let's walk through how to review what's in there and move it where it belongs. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online. Once you're in, open your chart of accounts. You can find it from the accounting menu or through your settings depending on your layout. In the list, locate the account named Opening Balance Equity. If you have many accounts, use the search bar to find it quickly. Click into that account to open its detail. From here, run a report for this account so you can see every transaction that has posted to it. Use the report period that covers the time you entered beginning balances, and consider expanding the date range if you're unsure. Scan the list and look for items that were misposted. Common examples include expenses, bank opening balances, credit card starting balances, inventory on hand, fixed assets, and owner contributions or draws that landed in opening balance equity. Now decide which transactions need reclassification. The goal is simple. Each amount sitting in opening balance equity should live in the correct account. For example, if an equipment purchase or starting asset value appears here, it usually belongs in a fixed asset account. If an expense was misposted, it should go to the appropriate expense category. If the amount represents owner money put into the business, move it to an equity account such as owner's equity or retained earnings as applicable to your setup. To make the fixes, create journal entries to move the amounts out of opening balance equity and into the correct accounts. Keep your journal entries clear. Debit the account that should receive the amount and credit opening balance equity for the same amount, or the reverse if you're moving a credit. Include concise descriptions and, when possible, use the original effective date so your reports remain accurate. If you're unsure about which side to debit or credit, pause here and consult with an accountant to ensure accuracy, especially for large or historical balances. When you've reclassified everything, open your balance sheet report, review the equity section, and confirm that opening balance equity is cleared or shows the proper adjusted balance. If anything remains, revisit the report you ran earlier and address any leftover transactions. That's it. By reviewing the account detail, making targeted journal entries, and verifying on the balance sheet, you've properly cleaned up opening balance equity in QuickBooks Online.